Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking down these box braids. I've already done the back. So we just have the front section to go, and we're going to be using a new tool, so keep on watching. So we are going to be using the original Unbraider. So excited to use this tool. This is by a Black woman-owned company. It's actually a mother and daughter owned business. So I'll put the information to this tool in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. But let's get right into it. So first of all, it comes with a pamphlet. Super cute packaging. So it comes in this cute pink and purple color. And then it also comes in black. I have the black one. I'll be showing you that in a little bit. But the pamphlet comes with some information for you. Here's the mother-daughter duo. It comes with their story. Then it comes with some preparation and unbraiding, just some techniques, strategies, directions, how to properly use the tool. So this is the Unbraider, which helps you take down braids. My braids aren't that small, so these aren't that difficult to take down, but I just couldn't wait to get into this tool. So we're gonna be trying it on these braids, but definitely we know the struggle when you have those small braids and how long and tedious the task is of taking them down. So it does come with some attachments, comes with a cornrow hook to help you undo your cornrows, and then it comes with a precision parting hook, which is amazing. And those just attach to the top of the tool here. And then it comes with two sides, one for long teeth, one for short teeth, depending on the depth of the braids that you need to take down. And it comes with this really sturdy rubber handle. So let's get right into it. So again, I got the one in black. This was sent to me from a giveaway on Instagram. So I'm so excited to try this out. So thankful for them for sending this to me. So let's get into this detail on this handle. This is super cute. The detail is everything. So here's the short end combs, long end, and it is super sturdy. So this is not flimsy. This will definitely last you. And the handle is nice and thick and firm. And this is where the attachments go. So you have the two attachments. This is the one for parting. So you got one for parting and then one for undoing your cornrows. So excited to use it, so let's get right into it. Besides the Unbraider, the only thing you'll need is some scissors to cut the braids and then a spray bottle with water. I decided to use my pattern hydrating mist instead of water, so this is all that we'll need. So I went ahead and unbarreled the ends. I'm just going to cut right above where the rubber band is. For the back section, I did not use the Unbraider because I wanted to do my first impressions with you guys. So I just wanted to get a head start. So I did the back, just doing it, taking it down with my hands. So I'm gonna go in with the pattern hydrating mist, and I'm just going to spray some on there. It is easier when you take down your braids when it is wet, whether you're doing it with your hands or the Unbraider. So we're gonna go in with the Unbraider. I'm gonna go in with the long tooth side. And again, these braids are big, but this is definitely easier than taking it down with my hands, sorry. And using the water or some type of hydrating mist definitely helps out. Spray some more. I cannot wait till I get my small braids this spring and be able to use my Unbraider to take them down. This little tool is genius, and this is synthetic hair and it's just gliding right through. So literally the teeth just go in and comb the braid out. So this is actually a good example of how good this brush is, because this is a nice amount of hair and it's going right through there. Again, keeping a water bottle spray mister to keep the hair wet makes taking it down easier. And there we have it. And I can just slide the hair right on out. I just have to take the rubber band out because I did go in and add some rubber bands to a few of them. Take the rubber band out and that's it. So again, I did take down the back with my hands, and using the Unbraider definitely cut down my takedown time at least by half, if not more. Okay, so this side is taken down and detangled. This Unbraider, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Definitely recommend this. It is thick braid, thick hair friendly. If you're a protective style girly, you need this. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Again, I'll leave the information to this tool in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Support. Again, hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.